welcome. You're watching Explosive Exclusive. I'm Padmaja Joshi, and today we come to you from Bengaluru, which is one of the areas, along with several others from across the country, which are now counting down to phase 2 of polling. Tomorrow, the polling will end and there will be a complete silence period. In fact, today itself, that silence period is going to start because Friday is when the next polling date is there. You would expect at this time for every party to put their best foot forward in order to ensure that the voters know this is my choice. I have nothing to worry about. But as seems to be now more the norm than the exception for the Congress party, at the 11th hour, you have somebody speaking up, throwing a complete googly at the Congress party itself. This time it was the turn of Sam Pitroda, when the Congress party is bang in the middle of an entire wealth redistribution row, where already the BJP is on the offensive saying your money is going to be taken away and redistributed to the vote bank of the Congress. Along comes Sam Pitroda and decides to declare that perhaps it's time in India we have an inheritance tax where whatever property your parents leave behind or you leave behind for your children, 55% of it is grabbed by the government and only 45% remain for those of your family members you leave behind. Listen.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. One has $100 million worth of wealth. And when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. These are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss.
Now you can imagine how the BJP would react to this. Leading from the front was the Prime Minister. In rally after rally since today morning, he has said, this is what I warned you about. And it's not just about inheritance tax. He said that not only what you earn in your lifetime is now within the crosshairs of the Congress, even what you want to leave behind, what you have saved up for years and years altogether, is going to be under a microscope. Uska X-ray करा करके कांग्रेस आपसे छीन लेगी, जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी.
शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के सलाहकार, इस शाही परिवार के शाहजादे के पिताजी के भी सलाहकार, उन्होंने कुछ समय पहले कहा था, और ये परिवार उन्हीं की बात मानता है. उन्होंने कहा था कि हमारा देश का जो मिडिल क्लास है, मध्यम वर्गीय लोग हैं, जो मेहनत करके कमाते हैं, उन्होंने कहा उन पर ज्यादा टैक्स लगना चाहिए. ये इन्होंने पब्लिकली कहा है. अब ये लोग उससे भी एक कदम आगे चले गए हैं. अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी. माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी. आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं, वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा. यानी कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट. कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी.
Initially, the Congress may have seemed on the back foot. In the morning, Sam Pitroda himself distanced the Congress party from any comments that he made. He said this has been made, these are just thoughts of mine in my personal capacity. Subsequently, the Congress party also said in a democracy, everyone's free to discuss ideas. Sam Pitroda remains an advisor. He is a friend, philosopher, guide. But that does not mean that the Congress has to follow any advice that he gives.
While he's free to say whatever he has to say on issues on which he feels strongly, it's not always that he reflects the views of the Indian National Congress. And on this particular issue also, he's not reflecting the official position of the Indian National Congress. But I think what is happening is his comments are torn out of context and they are being sensationalized in order to divert attention from the Prime Minister's deliberate, mischievous and malicious, poison-ridden campaign. A desperate Prime Minister, a nervous Prime Minister, is trying to divert attention away from the real issues and sensationalize comments of people like Mr. Pitroda.
It is nowhere the Congress's policy to have a tax like that. The Congress definitely believes there needs to be equitable distribution of resources, but the Congress does not believe in taking away from people and giving it to the others. The Congress believes in creating an atmosphere, creating a policy landscape, creating opportunities. इसकी पहली बार चर्चा अरुण जेटली जी ने, दिवंगत अरुण जेटली जी ने, भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे, उन्होंने की थी.
The Congress is distancing itself, but will it have any effect on the fortunes of the party and on the elections itself?
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Clean by. It's a tile lad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.